you're in charge of maintenance for drinking water. You know, it sounds like everything from mechanical to electrical fields, chlorine, ammonia. It sounds like these are all super important, very serious responsibilities for the entire population of Kansas City.
Yep.
And what we often say is like the work that is done within maintenance reliability often goes unnoticed. It seems like, you know, the repercussions to any sort of downtime or misstep in terms of what you're doing can be extremely serious. So I guess the question here, Paul, is like, what's your team's secret to consistency and excellence?
Really, I guess one thing about the plant is we kind of have to do the same things year after year. There's really no kind of new things that happen. So with the CMMS that we've got, we're able to put PMs and job plans and things like that. And those keep us kind of on time and on schedule. Some of them are calendar based. A lot of them now are sort of meter based on runtime hours, but we do a lot of that stuff to just assess the condition of the equipment. There's like oil analysis or vibration analysis, and that gives us a little bit of heads up on equipment failures, but we've got enough redundancy that if we have to take something off, we can do that. Because as a plant and as a producing facility, we really don't ever have the option to go offline. It's not like a power plant. If a power plant goes offline, like nobody really knows is because they're on a grid and the other power plants just sort of take care of the load. But in drinking water, it's not that way. You really don't want to have to explain to your customers why they don't have water.
Yeah, that seems pretty important.
Yeah, you want to stay out of the news. So it's a good thing if you're not in the news. At least for bad reasons. You can be in the news for good reasons, but you don't want to be in the news for bad reasons. So.
Right. Yeah. So it's a 24/7 operation for you guys. No concept of downtime.
Right. That's right. We try to keep it to absolute minimum.